Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Shitty Whiskey Reviews. This week, we're trying this selection from Oscar. He was kind enough to acquire it and send it to us. It is almost 10 years old. So, oh God, that's a horrible angle to try to grab a glass. Anyway. It smells delicious. It smells like candy and caramel and just goodness. 124 proof. Got a little heat. But the palate, man, it is oily and viscous and just candy and caramel, toffee. These freaking cask strength single barrel selects from Knob Creek are wonderful. I can't wait till we start getting them here locally, because this one came from Nebraska? Somewhere in the Midwest, or I guess the Midwest. It's wonderful. Hey kid, I get this black pussy between my legs. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna get a little. I feel like it's even gonna get better the longer it sits open, because it's just caramel and toffee and just viscous and oily and everything I think a bourbon should be. These fucking Knob Creeks are amazing. So, thanks, Oscar. I'll share it with Wes as soon as possible. Whoa. Getting over something. So, screw me. Screw you. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the bell for notifications. Like always, drink some whiskey, share with your friends and family. Like Oscar did, be safe, don't drink or drive, take care. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.